True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now I am in Maggotty, St. Elizabeth. So my journey will be to Carisbrook. So thank you all for taking the ride, or taking the journey with True Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So I'm gonna make a left turn, will take us to Carisbrook. So we are very close to Appleton Estate, very close to Apple Valley Park. So we having a nice weather today. Always remember to wear your seat belts. Safety first. So it's just about the vibes, you know, the real Jamaican vibes. So we'll be going to Carisbrook, St. Elizabeth. So we at Cameron Hill, St. Elizabeth. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I want to big up all my subscribers and all my followers. Thank you all for taking the journey with me, and I really appreciate it. So I'm just giving you a tour of our sweet, sweet Jamaica. And trust me, when you're all in Jamaica and you get your nice ackee and saltfish and dumpling and banana and dasheen, just the Jamaican vibes, you know, with some cool lemonade, early breakfast. So you're gonna be careful, for as you can see there are some potholes. So we're going to make a left turn, will take us to Carisbrook and also to Cornwall Mountain. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. yes, my people, so this is what happened in the countryside. So you gotta be careful for these animals. So we'll be going to Carisbrook, also to Cornwall Mountain. On your left is Carisbrook Primary and Infant School. Thank you all for watching. And also you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Carisbrook on your left. So it's a beauty to be in Carisbrook. Welcome everyone for the tour of Carisbrook, St. Elizabeth. So on your right, we have the International Bible Church Way, Church of Christ. So if you want to come to Carisbrook from Lacovia side, you also can drive that way, but I'm taking it from the Maggotty side, Maggotty St. Elizabeth. So if you're coming from Lockover side, that is Lockover St. Elizabeth, you would come through Cornwall Mountain, then Carisbrook, then go to Maggotty. But I'm taking it from the Maggotty side, then Carisbrook, then Cornwall Mountain. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So if you're new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos, because some new videos are gonna come very soon. And you know, in Carisbrook, a lot of farming. They farm their corn, their cocoa, and their dasheen. Very, very nice weather today. It's a bit overcast, and also you have your peanuts. You know, so when you make a boiled corn, you do also put a little pepper in it if you want a little soup. Same way you put a nice corn in it fresh from the farm. Also your pumpkin. So you have everything in the country, a lot of stuff. Everything where you can think about. On the farm you have your banana, your yam, your chocho. Look at the nice view of St. Elizabeth over in Carisbrook, going on to Cornwall Mountain. So we are passing through Hilltop area in St. Elizabeth in Carisbrook, going to Cornwall Mountain. Welcome to Cornwall, St. Elizabeth. So I will be heading to Lockover side on the main. So enjoy the ride, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So remember, if you want to come to Carisbrook, you can come from Lacovia side on the main, going towards Holland Bamboo, and also you can come from the Lacovia side. Also in Maggotty area, you can take from there, come to Carisbrook. So right now we are in Cornwall, St. Elizabeth. So you have to use up your horn because of those bike riders, very dangerous. So you have to use up your horn. So in Cornwall, a lot of peanuts plant in Cornwall. A lot of peanuts. Also you have corn, sweet potatoes. Yeah man, true Jamaican vibes. And one thing about Jamaica, you have a lot of corner shops. Plenty of corner shop. So if you want your rice, your sugar, your flour, your cornmeal, your saltfish, any little thing. So when you're in Cornwall, you're very close to Holland Bamboo, also to Lacovia Bridge, Coffee's Pen, Rice P, St. Elizabeth, very, very close. So I want to big up everyone that watching this video right now. May God keep on blessing you all. Thanks for the support. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. I'll be touring a lot of parishes, but I'm doing St. Elizabeth. Next would be Manchester. So we're gonna have a little bit of bumpy ride, so enjoy it because of the terrain of the road. So it's a bit overcast right now in Cornwall. So we are heading on the main road close to Holland Bamboo, Lacovia. So we'll be having some rain today. So riding in Jamaica on a bicycle, it's a joy. Look at this, my people, look at this. So we pump bicycle in Jamaica, you know, fit like a figure. So in a few seconds we'll be on Lacovia main road. So if you make a left turn, you will go back to Lacovia Bridge or Santa Cruz or Burnt Savannah, Mountainside, Southfield. So I'm gonna make a right turn, which take us to Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth. And Remember, when you go to Holland Bamboo, you can have your freshly jelly and your nice raw ital peanuts. Thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, peace and out.